Hey guys, so today's video is going to be all about cleaning and organizing my toddler's room. I need to definitely get some cleaning done, and then in her closet I need to go through all of her clothes and kind of just put away all of the things that she has grown out of and her shoes, and just kind of sort through everything because I haven't done it in a while and I'm overdue. So let's get started. So after the first phase is complete, which is the vacuuming and then the dusting, that's what I like to always do first. I always like to light a candle and to open the window to try to get some sunlight and some fresh air in there. And since it is so nice out today, it's a perfect day to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a quick wipe down and kind of wipe out any of the dirt and the pollen. So once I go through and I do the first phase, which is the vacuuming and the dusting, the second phase is kind of pick everything up, put it away, make the bed. And then the third phase, I go through all of her drawers and I pull out things that either she isn't wearing, that's not in good condition, that doesn't fit her anymore, that needs to be put away and stored, or items that will be going to Goodwill. So let's get started with the last part. So here I have everything in those three drawers that either no longer fits her or that has stains on it. So I'm just gonna keep these here until I finish up the rest of the drawers before I go ahead and divvy everything up and organize it. Now this next section here are where I keep her pants and skirts and things like that. So let's quickly go through these. So these are the clothes from the drawers and the ones that were hanging up here that no longer fit my daughter. So now I just have to go through them and fold them and make them look a little bit more neat so that they can go ahead and fit into each bin for the 2 tees and then the 3 tees. And then I also went ahead and moved all of the 4Ts that were on the left side of this shelf, all those clothes, and I put them away into the drawers, and then I also hung them up too so that the next size is ready for her. So the last thing that I need to do is just go through her shoes here and put aside all of the ones that she has grown out of or that are kind of beat up and that I won't be saving, and put them aside. So these are the shoes that either fit her, that she's growing into, and then these are all of the shoes that I will be putting away and storing. So here I have all of her summer and winter stuff put away in the 2T bins, and I have her shoes put away, and then some of the 3Ts that she's starting to grow out of in the bin is her more winter stuff, and then on top I need to get another bin from Costco that is the summer stuff. And then up top it looks a lot more organized now, so I can easily find the clothes that fit her. So here is the rest of her closet. I just have her jackets on the right, and then that will be for her shoes that fit her now. And then the rest of her room, everything is neat and put away, and I went through all the drawers, so everything that's in there she wears and fits her. So everything looks a lot more organized and put together now. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys found this motivating and helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.